Many entrepreneurs quickly form their business and hit the ground running without realizing they may have started their business off with a weak foundation. For companies like Apple, Google, and Amazon, what type of business do you think they're set up as? And why do you think they set their business up that way? A corporation is only a business structure that can issue out stock certificates to the public in exchange for a piece of the business. And that's why we formed the Structure Selector Pro in order for you to start your business off with a strong foundation. So here's a cheat sheet for the Structure Selector Pro. I will leave a link in the description for you to download. This is your guide to help you form in the right business structure. So the way I form Secure Securities, we form Secure Securities as a corporation. A corporation is the best formed business structure there is for you out there. When it's time to get funding, this is the only corporation that can go public for you to issue shares to the public in order to get funding and financing for your business. We'll also show you how to get your EIN because most people pay for the EIN, and we show you how to connect the right accounting system so that way you can manage your ins and outs. My name is Anthony Richardson, and my company, Secure Securities Corp., we install and maintain fire alarm and security systems. And as a technician, I work with a lot of companies where I got training on a lot of various panels, fire alarm systems, and also camera systems. Systems like Simplex Systems, Edwards Systems, Kitty Systems, Software House, and also S2 Systems, just to name a few. We'll be here for 2 hours. I name all my certifications. However, since I thought I was a good technician, I will be able to be a good businessman, meaning I could fix any system. How about I could fix any system for the public and make money off of it? But business and technical are two different things. So I created the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint for you technical guys to give you all the business acumen you need to pair those two together so you can make your first sale and actually continuously make sales each and every month. Three of the most common struggles entrepreneurs have, especially when forming their business, is not knowing what type of business they should register, whether it be an LLC, a corporation, or a sole proprietor. And I also know that most entrepreneurs even pay for their EIN when registering for your EIN is absolutely free. And the last thing, it's hard for them to manage and track their expenses. They don't even know how much money they have coming in versus how much money they're going out to even understand what a profit margin is. So within a Fire Alarm Business Blueprint, we give you these tools, necessary templates, Excel spreadsheets, so that way you can keep track of your finances and know exactly how much you're making, where you need to improve, and how you can improve it. So I want to remind you to download the Structure Selector Pro cheat sheet. I'll leave a link in the description. This will keep you on track to make sure you don't form a weak business. You want to form a strong foundation right from the start. And this is only step one in the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. There are 8 other steps in order for you to successfully know how to run and operate a fire alarm business. So if you want to get crystal clear on what you should be doing, click the link below, book a call. Within the next 30 minutes, we'll figure out what you need to do, map out a personal plan, and see if you're a right fit for the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. I'm Anthony Richardson, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you.